So, you got yourself an EV. You're driving along, comfortably doing your part for the environment, and then you think to yourself, do I have enough juice to get there? That is range anxiety. Now, this is a constant battle for EV manufacturers, and they're getting better, but we at Sailun Tire have joined the fight. Meet the ERANGE EV tire. This tire is designed specifically for EVs. We designed it to get the best performance out of your EV and help increase overall range on a single charge. After all, this is what connects you to the road. Let me give you a quick look at the technology in the ERANGE EV tire. It starts with an increased load-bearing capacity because you know, EVs have batteries that add to the overall weight of the car. But while we're at it, we reinforce the sidewalls, and that means crisp handling and cornering because EVs also deliver some amazing performance. Next up, we used our liquid phase mixing Ecopoint3. Let's stop here for a second because this is important. This technology allows rubber compounding materials to be fully mixed uniformly under continuous liquid phase conditions for a consistent rubber mix. I know, sounds complicated, but what it does is improve the tire's rolling resistance and enhances skid and wear resistance. That balances out long-lasting tire life, but still gives you grip and traction on wet and dry roads. Finally, EVs are known for their quiet, serene ride quality. Who wants that interrupted with all sorts of road noise? These tires feature our proven silent tread technology, so you can really enjoy the peaceful experience your EV offers. While electric vehicles come in a wide range of options, there's only one thing connecting you to the road. Get the most out of your EV with ERANGE tires from Sailun.